Bioluminescence is one of nature's most mesmerizing phenomena, where living organisms emit light through chemical reactions within their bodies. This captivating glow is more than just a spectacle. It's a survival tool in the natural world. Found in various forms across the globe, bioluminescence is most famously observed in marine environments, where creatures like jellyfish, plankton, and certain species of fish create ethereal underwater light shows. However, it's not confined to the ocean. On land, you can find glowing fungi illuminating forest floors and fireflies lighting up summer nights. The science behind bioluminescence is as fascinating as its visual display. It involves a chemical reaction between luciferin, a light-emitting molecule, and the enzyme luciferase, often triggered by oxygen. This reaction produces light with minimal heat, making it incredibly efficient. For many organisms, bioluminescence serves critical functions, such as attracting mates, deterring predators, or luring prey. In the deep sea, where sunlight doesn't penetrate, it becomes a vital means of communication and camouflage. The allure of bioluminescence continues to inspire scientific research and artistic expression. From innovative lighting solutions to breathtaking photography, the glow of these natural wonders captivates human imagination. Subscribe for more videos.